Now, let's move on to crocheting Santa's face. Make a magic circle. Loop the yarn around your fingers and make a circle. Insert your hook into the circle and begin crocheting inside it. Chain 3. Mark third chain stitch. Work 14 double crochets into the magic circle. Yarn over, insert hook into the circle. Yarn over again and pull yarn through the circle. To get 3 loops, unhook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and hook out to finish a double crochet. We repeat the steps to finish 14 double crochet. Here, we proceed to the next step. You can count to verify that you've completed 14 double crochet stitches. Mark the last stitch. Tense the yarn tail and close the circle. Make a slip stitch to connect. Insert hook into first double crochet stitch. Remove sticker and make a single crochet increase, which means to single crochet into same stitch. We mark first single crochet with a sticker, then make second single crochet into the same stitch. We need to finish 3 single crochet increases. Starting from the 4th stitch, we should perform single crochet increases, specifically in the back loop. Repeat the process until you have completed 9 single crochet increases in the back loops. Mark the first front loop. Insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull through to complete a single crochet. Work another single crochet into the same stitch. To complete it, increase. Just work to single crochet into every back loop. Now we've finished 9 single crochet increase on the back loop. And we can mark the front loop on last stitch. Next, continue making single crochet increases into the full stitch for the last 3 stitches. Last, make a slip stitch to connect. Also mark last stitch with a sticker. To finish the facial pattern, fasten off your work. Now we've completed Santa's face and are moving on to crocheting the beard pattern in your next video.